Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer cryptocurrency from Huobi to Luno. First, ensure both your Huobi and Luno accounts are ready for transactions. This process involves withdrawing from one platform and depositing into another. It is crucial to verify your account details and understand the steps involved to ensure a smooth and secure transfer of your digital assets. We will guide you through each stage carefully. Now, let's begin the withdrawal from Huobi. Log into your Huobi account and find the withdrawal option. Choose the exact cryptocurrency you want to move, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Crucially, select the correct network. For example, use ERC20 for Ethereum. Then, paste the Luno deposit address you obtained, ensuring it is precisely correct to avoid any errors during the transfer. Next, prepare your Luno account to receive the funds. Log into Luno and navigate to the deposit area for the cryptocurrency you are transferring. Luno will provide a unique deposit address. Copy this address carefully. It is absolutely vital that the network you selected on Huobi, such as TRC20 or BP20, perfectly matches the network for this Luno deposit address. Mismatched networks can lead to lost funds. After initiating the transfer, it is important to monitor its progress. You can track the transaction using the provided transaction ID on both Huobi and Luno. Typically, transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the network congestion. If your funds do not arrive within a reasonable time frame, do not hesitate to reach out to the customer support teams of both exchanges for help.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.